In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Facebook page and Instagram at the same time. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create one post that publishes to both platforms using Meta Business Suite, saving you time and keeping your content consistent. First, open Meta Business Suite. You can use the desktop site or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Go to Meta Business Suite and log into your account that manages your Facebook page and Instagram. Make sure you're signed in with the profile that has access to your business assets so everything shows up correctly. Next, take a moment to confirm that your Facebook page and Instagram account are already linked. Look at your profile area in Business Suite. You should see both accounts represented together, often right in the banner or account switcher. If you don't see both, pause here and make sure they're connected before moving on so the post can go out to both places at once. When you're ready, click Create Post. This opens the Post Composer. At the top or in the placement options, select both your Facebook page and your Instagram account. You'll see toggles or checkboxes. Turn them both on so the same post is set to publish in both locations. Now add your content. Start by writing your caption. Keep it clear and engaging and consider how it will read on both platforms. On Instagram, only the first part of your caption shows at first, so put the most important information up front. Hashtags can help with discovery on Instagram, while links work better on Facebook. If you do include a link, make sure it's easy to understand and keep your call to action consistent for both audiences. Add your photo or video next. Choose visuals that look good in a square or vertical format so they display nicely in both feeds. If the composer offers a preview, use it to double-check how the media and caption will appear on Facebook and Instagram. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in readability and impact. When everything looks right, you're ready to publish. You have two options. Click Post Now to publish immediately, or choose the scheduling option to set a future date and time. Scheduling is great for reaching your audience when they're most active and for planning content in advance. That's it. With Meta Business Suite, creating one post for both your Facebook page and Instagram is quick, consistent, and efficient.